Walk around like some zombies. You may be hate being sober right now, Virgo. What's poppin'? Say it because of the truth. You may have became aware of some truth in your reality in some way, shape, or form regarding some burdens you wanted to put down. You may have went in a certain direction in an attempt to put down your burdens, and it required you may be dealing with a Taurus. Because I'm shuffling and I'm seeing the same cards I just seen for Taurus. What's behind that? Look, you was nurturing something. Or you are nurturing something. You opening up in regards to what you're passionate about and or your passions. You may be putting down a burden right now. You feel me? You hate being sober or someone hates being sober in the space with you. You drunk on something. You feel me? Something got you a little bit, you feel me? And you could be drunk in a negative way or a positive way. You don't have to let me know. You could just be high on life right now. You enjoy the space you in and you enjoying what you're doing. Somebody may be in their head or trapped in their mentality regarding because something was expressed to you and or to someone outside of you that put you in your head. What was expressed? The truth. You see the swords, truth, communication, or expression. Truth, high priestess. A high priestess said something to you to fuck you up. But it's at the same time, you put yourself in this position. Secrets you may have became aware of some hidden desires and or hidden secrets that you were invested in or someone outside you was invested in, and now you're no longer expressing yourself emotionally to a space and or person, place, or thing. You feel me? Or someone's no longer expressing themselves towards you because of some hidden desires and hidden secrets. Look, that are out in the open. Some hidden passions. Look, tower on the bottom. We're going to hit you with one more bougie one and then we're going to get the ball rolling. You may feel weak because of a tower, or someone feels weak because of a tower or ending in regards to a situation with you. You don't have to let me know though. Can't tell you what shoe size you wear. I can only show you the products. You feel me? I can only show you the catalog. You gotta tell me, you gotta put your foot in the shoe that fits you though. You feel me? So. Yeah, a situation you invested in ain't for the long haul. It ain't good in the long term. You see something as unjust and or unbalanced. So whether you thinking about ending something or something ended already, and you may not think highly of a space that has ended because of some secrets being revealed with the moon. Whether you became aware of something, you seen something was toxic. So now you don't think the same way about something you used to invest yourself in. You can't think long term in regards to this space. You can't think long term in regards to a relationship or just associations. You may be thinking about putting the burdens down. And that would call for a tower. You feel me? Some shit was shaking. It's like once upon a time you thought about putting burdens down. Oh, that fell out. Oh, yeah, there we go. Look, some lies. Whether you lying or someone lied to you. Someone brought some expression and or communication, painted as the truth to you. And it's like whether you accepted that lie and started expressing and or participating in the space that the lie has manifested, and now it's like you don't see this situation or this space as long term anymore. It doesn't have you expressing yourself in your truth anymore, because look, it developed lower mentalities. You can't think highly in your reality no more. You can only think lower, or you think about the negative side of everything. You can't find positivity in situations or spaces you involve with that are manifested off of this lie. It's like anything that is involved with the idea or the mentality you gained, the truth you thought it was true, you see it as a lie off rip. So let's say you was in a space with some associations or some co-workers, right? You may have got a job with a couple white lies, right? Cool. You lied to get the job. Now it's like for some reason, everything in that space is lying to you when they express and or communicate to you, or you are lying to everything in that space. What song is this? They don't know. They don't know what. Something you did ain't a good investment, or how you thinking right now ain't of the higher status, but you playing it off real nice. You feel me? You expressing yourself real cool, but how you feeling, you don't feel like something you invested in is long term. Something you worked on. So whether you got a bad idea and you enacted that bad idea and that bad idea put you in a mental space for a couple generations or a couple lifetimes or just a couple months, you're going to be thinking about something. Because it's the 10 of coins, 10 months, 10 weeks, 10 hours, 10 days, 10 seconds. You feel me? You're going to have to let me know. 10 generations worth because of a lie. Because it's something you expressed that wasn't true. Or someone lied to you to get you to invest in something. Now that you invested in it, you don't see it as long term. It don't make you feel good inside because it's the queen. So queen is internally. That's your feminine energy right there. Look, you may not be able to stop thinking about a space. Something got you up at night because you see something is unstable, whether it was an idea or a business endeavor or just a space you manifested with people, places, and things outside of you. You participating in a space you don't think is stable. This ain't solid to Virgo. Look, this don't make Virgo happy. If it's you versus someone outside of you, someone outside of you is no longer emotional fulfilled. And they don't find emotional fulfillment in this space. You may feel a sense of emotional loss, or someone feels a sense of emotional loss in regards to the space they share with you, and that causes an ending. There's no more celebration in this space. That causes an ending. Now, so you may be in a situation, whether you're in a mental space for a long time, you feel trapped in a thought pattern or thought routine, or you just feel trapped in a thought, or you are stuck in a third dimensional, external routine and pattern, a cycle for a while because you lied or you let someone lie to you. And now if it's you versus you, you're not happy because of something. You got the 10 of coins in reverse and the 10 of cups in reverse. Do you understand me? A lie really fucked you up. Whether someone lied to you or you lied, you expressed some communication, you expressed some lies as a truth, and that fucked you up. You're gonna have to put your foot in the shoe that fits you. Alright? Whether you let someone lie to you or you lied to someone, Virgo. Look, you may be dealing with an empress. Okay, an empress may not find emotional satisfaction or emotional fulfillment in a space with you no more. Alright, so if it's something, it's whether you used to nurture something, it's like you used to be true almost. They don't know. It's like they don't know what has actually transpired in regards to a space. Look, I don't know what. Virgo, I don't know what. Well, it's like you may have, because if this is someone outside of you, because I don't think this is associated, you may have became aware of how you feel because of an empress. So like, let's say you met someone or you interacted with a space. You went to a different mentality for a moment. You interacted with a new energy. You interacted with new. For a second, something nurtured you, something fed you, or you felt like you wanted to nurture something. If it's someone outside of you, someone nurtured a situation, or someone gave you some sort of enlightenment in regards to a situation and how you feel about it. Now that you can see the truth, you see something as a lie because of whether someone showed you something or because you feel different about a space now. Because you could be the empress, in a sense. It's like you're the empress now. You've changed in a sense where your feminine energy is on a whole different vibration right now. And now your feminine energy is telling you what you're in is a lie. How we do? This is a song that's playing for you. But this is how you do it, though. Whether you're in conflict or not, this is how you do it, though. This is how Virgo get down. It is what it used to be. It used to be. It is what it is. But you can't say it is what it is no more because of how you showing up. Now you may want to heal something. You may be dealing with an Aquarius. You don't gotta be, but you want to heal something now. Now it's like after the fact of shit hitting the fan based upon a lie. After the fact, you're not happy. Then now you realize either who you're dealing with, whether you're an empress brought you enlightenment in regards to an investment you made, and now you want to heal a situation, or now you want to heal, period. Now you're ready to heal in regards to a situation. You're ready to nurture yourself and or take care of a space. You're ready to invest. You feel me? Feelings and or passion and or emotion into a space. Once upon a time, King of Coins on the bottoms, you wasn't expressing high mentalities or positive mentalities in regards to a space. It's like you weren't being honest. And in the long run, because this is how you were previously. This is the past, or this is how you got where you at. You feel me? If this is the past, once upon a time, it's the King of Coins. So this is your masculine energy. This is your expression. You was expressing lower thoughts. You were manifesting based upon lies, manipulation using passion. So whether you was putting it on, or you was putting it on him and or her, you feel me? You was using what you got to get what you can. You feel me? And how'd that turn out? Fucked you up. How'd that turn out? Fucked you up. Now you feel whether this is your intuition, this is your feminine energy, or this is someone outside of you in the Empress energy who brought you the awareness that you fucked up. Shit, this could be a tarot reader. You feel me? Now you want to heal. You're ready to heal. You're thinking about healing. Because now you know how you feel. Look, you don't feel good, so now you know what you feel for. Now you know what you feel about. Now you know what your balance. If you don't know, well, now you know. You got to let something go. Mentalities, feelings, habits, ideas, routines, patterns. Yeah, you're going to have to let me know what you got going on. But what we talking about? Last card for Virgo. How we do, Virgo? This is how we do it. Yeah, you thought this was how we do it. I thought this was how we got down. But obviously this isn't how this isn't how we're supposed to get down, said Virgo. This isn't really... See, I thought something was it, but this ain't really it. Now you focused on some higher balance. You focused on some real balance. You feel me? But it's like in order to get there, you got to clear up what you are invested in. You can't heal. You on the path to want to heal, but you got a lot of dirt to clean up first. A lot of dirt to clean up. It's like you got a clean house. Before you trying to make space for new furniture, you trying to get a whole new crib layout, new appliances and all the stainless steel, but yet you still got everything in your house. But you fixing to click the buy now button. You still got your old couch, still got the old fridge, all the old microwave, the old toaster, old fryer. You in conflict because you want to purchase, but you can't purchase what you want to purchase because you still got all this bullshit around you. Still got a whole heap of shit around you. Whole heap of shit. And that's putting you in the space to want to heal something with an empress, or an empress brought you some enlightenment, whether male and or female. You feel me? Empress energy knows no gender. A male could have the feminine energy of a mother. You feel me? And a female could have the masculine energy of a father. You feel me? It doesn't matter. But you want to heal something. You're in the space to want to heal something. You didn't walk away from something you should have walked away from. And because of that, you in this situation right now. Now you in this mental space and emotional space. You don't think highly and you don't feel highly of a space you involved in. You ain't getting no high emotional ideas. You getting lower based emotional ideas. Or you just feel you're getting lower feelings in regards to a space you're investing yourself in. Shit. Jump, man. Yeah, it's time to jump, man. It's time to move. It's like you found your happiness. Or once upon a time, you were happy. Woo! Where's my water at? There you go. Last card for Virgo. Yeah, look, you ready to... I'm telling you, you ready to heal, yo. You ready to get out of a cold mental space and or third dimensional space. Because ain't no life where you at right now. You just want to take your truth and move on because you found some enlightenment. You found the sun in some way, shape, or form. The sun can be a realization that regarding your mentality, your mental space, that shifted your whole reality, shifted your whole perspective. Now it makes you want to nurture and feel and care different. You feel me? You want to invest differently now. You want to handle business or handle what you do differently now because of some enlightenment that was brought to you regarding a decision you made. But you got to clean house first. Got to clean house first, Virgo. You can't just go get you some new furniture. You ain't even get rid of your old set yet. Shit, you could really sell what you got and use that bread to go ahead and you feel it, but you're not trying to play the game right. I mean, you trying to play it right now, but it's like after the fact. You got about 2-3 couches in your house right now. Oh, come on, Virgo. You got a whole lot of shit you got to clean up. You don't think how it looked, but guess who manifested it? You being a Slytherin instead of I was gonna say Ganondorf. Fucking Ganondorf, not Slytherin, Hufflepuff, and what? Nah, see, I gotta figure it out now. Hold on, because I just watched the second one yesterday, finally. Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw. It's Ravenclaw? I swear it starts with Gryffindor. There it is. See? You was being Slytherin instead of Gryffindor. And it fucked you up. You feel me? It caught up. But now you trying to be on that Gryffindor tip. Pause. You feel me? Now you jumping. There's pep in your step now. Now there's motion. You gonna have to put your foot in the shoe that fits you. I'ma fuck with you though.